Dear friends and partners, first of all, on behalf of the company, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for your support and cooperation in the last year. Looking to the future, we will continue to invest in research and development, ensure product quality, improve service, and look forward to more pleasant cooperation with you. Sincerely, I wish you a successful career and all the best in the new year. Looking forward to working with you to create a bright tomorrow.